Hey guys, what's going on? It's time to check out the thrift shop. Okay, so running in here real quick. Just gonna see what we can find. I was in here the other day, but there's always something new. And I did see some new hats. I drove up, so I'm gonna look through them. You know I'm a sucker for hats. I don't know what that one is. A Dodge hat, but handheld games can often be good. I don't think this is a great one. We'll look it up. The Devil's hat. I think as an Avs fan, just on principle, I'm not gonna pick that up. Okay, guys, I think this one will sell. I think that's a keeper. This is the one I saw through the window. I don't know. It's probably nothing. This is cool, though. Worn, but not beat up. Flinging stuff around here. The Seminoles? Florida State? It is Florida State. But it is a small fitted. So I think I'm gonna leave that. I don't know, let's see. This one's cool. Old Nissan. It's pretty rough though. Also fitted, but a little bigger. 7 1/4. Maybe. Old bush garden stuff can be good if it's got animals on it. That one is probably a keeper. Right, we'll look back here in the miscellaneous room. A little late to sell the topsy-turvy. That one looks like it may have had an issue at one point. A little too hot. Let's go check out shirts real fast. I don't usually see a lot of new ones. It's like the same stuff. I do love selling media. He's gonna find the right stuff. Don't know. Yeah, without the case, I'm not sure on those. Who did I see get these lately? Somebody. I think it's prime time.
Hi, how are you? Good.
It's rough condition. I might take a shot though. Been in quite a crash there. Wow. typically, oh, look at that. That's a score. This is a Disney. Okay, guys, so like always, well, like almost always, I found something in Aaron and Mia's store. And then when I got to the checkout, some new stuff had just come in. It was, hey, any interest in this? A couple of them. It did that to me last time. A couple of them, yeah, I was interested in. I really didn't comp anything here. I just went by what I know and what I think I know. Sometimes that gets me in trouble, but I think we did okay. Let's get home and look over what we got. Okay, guys, so here is everything that we came home with. We'll just start over here. This is a Scrabble Silverline. It's got a little rip there, but it is new and otherwise shrink wrapped and sealed. It doesn't have a fantastic sell-through rate, but Scrabble does sell, and I'm thinking fourth quarter, this ought to go for about $20 plus shipping. I'm hoping. These things here, now these are, like we said in the store, I think a little bit rough. I mean, these have been through something, but these are like from the 70s, probably. You can see right there. I mean, all the way up on here. These have been banged around. They were hanging on somebody's wall probably and got nicked up pretty good. But I do think that there is still value in these things. I measured them here when I got home, and these are 40 inches. So these are long. They're actually, I did a search. These are called totems. I did a search on eBay, and there are no 40-inch wood spoon fork totems listed right now. There is one that sold, not this exact same design, and they were in very, very nice shape. It sold recently at auction for $47 and change. I learned about these watching, I'm pretty sure it was Dominic, Primetime Treasure Hunter, picked these up. And his was like 28 inches or something like that. These are 40. So they're massive. I'm going to have to find a box for them, and it'll be probably a pain to ship out. But I think I might put these at auction and just see what happens, especially because of the condition. I just don't know what the value is, but I think they're neat. And I think somebody's going to want it. So we'll see how we do on that. Move these out of the way. This guy, this is pretty cool. This is from Winning Streak. They make a lot of these right here. There you go. Winning Streak, they make a lot of pennants. And this is not new, but it's in beautiful condition. There's no folds or anything like that in it. This is like a history of the Denver Nuggets. So you can look at the different logos. I have one hanging in my office for the Cowboys. Not nearly as neat, just because it's helmets. You know, this is the actual, logos, and it changed a little bit for Denver. So back, you see 71, it was the Rockets. Then we went to the Nuggets in 74. I love the old rainbow pattern. I think it's cool. And then you got these newer logos here. This is probably a $20 or $25 piece right here. Hats. Okay, how about Pepsi first? I think it's the least desirable. I just thought it was in good shape. It's an average hat. There's nothing necessarily special about it, but people do like Pepsi and Coke, so I grabbed it. I think this is probably a $9.99 kind of store filler hat, honestly. These two are better. The General Lee, this is a Dukes of Hazzard. There we go, Dukes of Hazzard right there. This hat is probably a $12 to $15 plus shipping hat. And I think it'll probably sell pretty quickly at that level. So there we've got that one. And then this is an old NBC sports hat from the mid-90s. So you got the big peacock logo on there. This is a snapback from Sports Specialties, you can see. There we go. Sports Specialties. Made in Bangladesh. This, it's got a little wear, but it's really pretty clean. I'll probably run this through the wash just to try to get that a little bit wider, but I think this is probably a $20 hat. So this is a nice hat. Somebody's going to pick this one up, and that one ought to move pretty quickly as well. I caught this one on my way out the door. And this is a good one, guys. I've sold recently the Cujo book. People like Cujo. Cujo, the movie. This is the 25th anniversary edition on Blu-ray. This is out of print. This is hard to find. So depending on what others are listed right now, this is, it's at least a $10 Blu-ray plus shipping. I would say it's 10 to 12 easily. And depending on what else is available, you could push 15, 16 bucks, something like that with this. And I love selling media. It's super easy. So this will be easy money. This from the Disney store. This is a Pegasus from Sophia the First from the cartoon. I've sold some Sophia the First stuff in the past. It's not super desirable, but it does okay. And so we picked this guy up. He is official Disney store, and he's in great condition. I'm going to say this guy is probably $12 to $15 plus shipping for this. This is Saffron is who this is. Here we've got, I think this is Luna, I believe. This is My Little Pony, of course, and it's My Little Pony Build-A-Bear, which is very, very good. So Princess Luna, she doesn't have all the stuff. Like, she would be worth more if she had, like, her little crown. I think there's a cape and stuff like that. But this is still in very nice condition. It's going to sell quickly, depending on how high I price it. But this will sell for anywhere between, I would guess, 20 and 30 bucks plus shipping. So that a great grab. And then we got some onions. These were... Aaron says, "You like onions?" I said, "Yeah, we like onions." These from his mom's garden. She brought some by. So we got some onions as well. So there you go. And there's Jaeger. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. I think we did okay. All in, $11 for that thrift haul. It was half off at the store. Then Aaron cut us a nice deal. So 11 bucks for all of that stuff. We're going to make that back with one of those hats rather quickly, or the Luna plush, or what, any one of those items could potentially make up our purchase cost, and then all the rest is profit. So there's Jaeger again. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. Thumbs up, comment, hit the bell, do all the YouTube-y things that you do. And thanks for running along with me. It was fun. We'll see you next time.